So the question is, did we finally solve the drinking water hose dilemma? More after this. I want to share something. We had an episode a while back about flexible fresh drinking water hoses that didn't work out. They leaked right out of the box. 2 of them both leaked. I found a new one. We have this one, Aqua Joe, and this is a 50-foot fiber jacket, all marine, all-purpose hose, 600 psi, good to 0 degrees, and it's 5/8 of an inch, kink and twist free. I have it hooked up now. There is no leaking going on. And if we go to the other side, there's no leaking happening here. Pressure regulator is showing 40 psi. So far so good. I'm going to be testing it out this week. And we're going to be set up here in Corinth, Mississippi for a week. We'll take it on the road. The next stop after this is going to be Memphis, and after Memphis we'll be in Arkansas, and I'll probably do a follow-up video either in Memphis or Arkansas to tell you what I think. So far so good. I think we might have found a solution to having a kink-free longer hose at that, and also it's lighter than a standard hose, and it also fits in a tighter space without getting all messed up. So very happy to see that this could be our solution. So keep you posted. Okay, so I want to follow up on this Aqua Joe water hose. It's actually working out really well. We were a little worried at first when we first got it. Hopefully this wind isn't causing too much trouble. Let me move where there's no wind. Hopefully this is working better. I'm using the truck as a wind block, though my hair is getting blown all over the place. Yeah, the first place we were at over at Corinth, Mississippi, I hooked up the water hose there first, and we were getting a really odd taste. And I tried a number of different things and realized it's the water in Corinth, Mississippi. It had nothing to do with our hose. So we're now in West Memphis, Tennessee. I had plenty of time to make sure the hose was fully rinsed out anyway. And now we've hooked it up. Water tastes fine. There is no problems as far as taste. It rolled up really tight. It's very compact, and that's really what we're looking at. So I definitely think we have a winner on this one. I'll have all that information again for you. It's the Aqua Joe. We got the 50-foot. It's 5/8 inch interior diameter. When it fully expands, it rolls up really tight, about half the weight of a normal hose as they advertise, and it fit really easily in my tote box, and I don't have to worry about it getting kinked in the tote box because the material it's made out of, once it fills up, inflates, I guess you want to say, it actually works quite well, and there's no issues as far as storage goes. So once again, we'll take a look at it with the wind. Now I am running some hot water right now, so I drove it down to 30 psi, but it was 40 when I have just the water on it. There's no leaking. It's raveled up quite a bit under here, and no leaking on this end. We got a winner. The good part is Walmart carries these in stock, so that'll be it for this short episode on the water hose. Hopefully this will make up for the fact that our 0G, we had such a double failure on that one. Okay, onward and upward.